Alrighty, y'all. We are back. We got my free or my unpaid laborer right here. The other one's not here yet. But today we are working on the S2K. Picked up some 42K springs. They're small. They're stiff, like me. So we're gonna put these in because right now, hold up. Right now, this fitment is ass. I need to get it down to like here and not buckle my my fenders more than they already are. And then this, I like this fitment. I want it lower, but right now when I sit in it, it's so soft. My fat ass gets in it and it goes down like half an inch and it rubs on every bump. We don't want that because I also don't want to fuck up my quarter panels. So we're going to put the 42Ks in and we'll see how I can adjust the fitment. Tuner Spirit is 10 days away. We got to get these cars ready. And yeah, let's get to it. It's off. Oh, it is raining. It's raining. Hallelujah.
I'll be your filmer.
Alright, we got the bumper off. Where's the jack? Oh, right here. This is how you jack up a stance car.
You don't need to take it out, you just need to drop the tops, right?
Nice.
No tools required.
I loosened it off camera. You guys didn't see it. It was off camera. Holy guacamole, buddy. I'm just so strong. My fingers are just so strong.
Why?
Very good. Oh.
Not like that, right?
Point it at him.
No, it'll blow up on you. You're the spring. Okay.
It's not an OEM strut.
I know. Oh. Never mind.
I told you, it's a coilover. An OEM strut.
I think we went through enough. Remember what we used to do? Lowering springs on the Honda as well?
Yeah.
That's what I mean. If you do it on OEM struts, it'll blow. It won't
shit.
blow on these things.
The hell was that?
How does it go back on?
Fuck if I
Right
know.
there. Boom.
Alright, guys.
Well,
We
true.
got the coilover out. Will it fit?
Are they all the same? Well, will it fit over
Nice.
What?
those? Will it fit on that?
Yep.
Perfect.
Not my car. There you go.
Perfection.
Washer.
And that is your fucking socket. The circle.
Oh. God, you're so stupid.
Let's see if I can get the ring off.
Sure.
Where's the key?
On the hook by the front door if you want to go in.
Wait, where's the bolt? Or
Right on the counter.
okay. Good enough.
All the way down.
Yeah.
Alright, there you go. Put in the washer. There you go. Oh no. Oh no.
What?
Oh no. Alright, that goes. Oh no. Alright, now the nut. Put the nut on there. Alright. Alright, and then. Oh, I got cooked.
If you guys didn't see. If you guys didn't see, this is his reaction.
Way down under, buddy. Is the wheel straight? There?
Sure.
Yeah.
This one. Is it?
It's not straight, but it's okay.
Raise it, raise it.
Oh my god.
Your fender is big, bro. Bro, it's literally fucking.
Oh, so when I asked you when my wheels were straight, you said yeah, they weren't.
You ain't driving like that for shit, buddy.
I'm keeping it like that.
No, you're not.
Absolutely.
Yeah, okay. 20-point turns wherever you go.
Absolutely. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it dropped like 2 inches.
It's not that stiff, bro. What the hell? Oh shit, I'm bending that. Oi!
See your 20-point turn. You're already touching.
That's all I need. That's all I need. All right, well, we got the front ones on. Holy shit, look how low I got it. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's on the ground. Just kidding. I did get it lower, but the back is jacked up right now because we're working on the back. That's obviously because it's jacked up, but it's sitting a lot lower than it was. Need some spacers to fill the gap. Already did that one side. Now just gonna show this side and lower it, see if I need to adjust the height and go from there. All right, gotta take these two out. On this side, it was under the gas lines. In most videos installing coilovers, they'll tell you to take the gas lines out of the way. Fuck that shit.
Yeah. We ain't doing that.
Ain't nobody got time for that, man.
Yeah.
You can still get a ratchet and a socket under there perfectly fine.
Yeah. Be a man.
Yeah, be a man. Oh shit. Easy, easy. Probably should have measured the other side here.
Well, it's still there. No? It's okay.
For the static boys that are tucking, and when you jack your car up and you have trouble getting your wheel off because it's tucking, you don't need to unbolt the strut or loosen this or loosen that. Just don't put preload in it. And if you think it's gonna ride any different than having preload in it, you've been lied to. It doesn't. For 5 years on my Z, I had 0 preload set on the coilovers. Mind you, I had 100K springs, and I'm assuming any static guy watching this is probably gonna have stiff springs. You don't need preload. You don't need preload. Because when the car sits on the ground and this compresses, it's gonna sit right here anyways. Okay? Don't be a bitch. You gotta make sure the fitment is tight.
Perfect.
All right, boys. Well, 42K spring rates are all installed on the S2K. Fitment is absolutely wild. Front is, well, the wheel is currently turned right now, but it is touching. You can literally see it buckling the fender, but we're going to fix that. Got to either pull it or a little. We currently put a 15 millimeter spacer in there, but I think I'm going to go down to a 10 millimeter spacer. Either way, I think these fenders are going to be cooked because S2Ks are known for buckling the fenders no matter what you do. And then on the rear here, fitment's tight as well. I actually shaved it down with a grinder a little bit more, so it's literally credit card fitment, if that. Looks great. I'm pumped. We'll see how it drives. Already crossed. Oh, can't cross it off quite yet. I'm not done the front.
Oh.
Not done the front. Can't cross it off.
You can do.
We, here you go. You gotta just halfway. There you go. All right. We'll fix the front and then I'll cross it off completely. We also, Angelico helped me make some new hangers. So I raised the exhaust because that was a problem. It was very low. So got some more clearance on the ground. But she's looking good. A few more tweaks here and there. And she is looking fire. Hell yeah, boys. All right. Thanks for coming. Peace out.